So right now, I'm on my way to a new townhouse development here in Southern California by the name of Nuvo. It's being developed by a company called the Nuvo Company. And I would call this project definitely suburban infill, because right now, in Southern California, there is no such thing as suburban anymore. It's pretty much all infill. Southern California is all urban. So we're out here in, I believe this would be Ontario, on the border of Ontario and Rancho Cucamonga. And let's go take a look at Nuvo by the Nuvo Company right now. So Nuvo is about 80% complete. You can see right here, this is the second to the last phase of the project. There's one more phase after this to be completed, and once that's done, the project is complete. This is Nuvo at Piemonte. It is 80% complete and now selling the final stages of this townhouse development. Welcome to the Building Better Development Spotlight. This suburban infill project comprises of 72 townhomes spread across 10 buildings on approximately 2.5 acres, giving it a density of over 29 units per acre. Pretty impressive for a suburban infill townhouse project, and with pricing from the mid 500s all the way up to the low 700,000s per unit. Having a modern architectural design, Nuvo incorporates such design features as contemporary exterior colors, black framed glazing, and black powder-coated metal balconies and railings. Interiors consist of a light and airy color palette, large and plentiful windows allowing for an abundance of natural light, light-colored wood floors and flooring, quartz countertops throughout, custom tile backsplashes, and stainless steel appliances. All of this is within walking distance of retail, restaurants, and entertainment such as the Toyota Arena, which is located nearby. The development company behind this project is a favorite of mine by the name of the Nuvo Company. I personally like their attention to detail and their functional and well thought out layouts to their projects. This development is standard wood frame construction over concrete slab on grade, which is a standard for residential construction throughout Southern California. Nuvo at Piemonte will be completed in 2023. My name is Ahmed and I build better. Like, comment, and share below, and let me know what development project you'd like me to showcase in upcoming videos.